Hello, myself Dr. Mahfouza Holia, working in Electronics Engineering Department at BVM Engineering College since 2002. I have done my Bachelor of Engineering in Electronics discipline from the BVM College itself in 2001, Master of Engineering and in Electronics and Communication from the DTIT College in 2008, and I completed my PhD in Electronics and Communication and in a specialized area image processing in June 2013. I am having a total teaching experience of 23 years. Teaching engineering is not just a profession for me, it's my passion. I strive every day to inspire and empower my students to innovate and excel in the world of engineering. Throughout my career, I have organized a total of 86 events at state, national, and international level, including 5 international conferences. These include 3 international women conferences on science and technology, creating sustainable career in 2016, 2019, and 2023, where I worked as a coordinator. I also involved in 2 international conferences, ICRISET 2017 and 2020, where I was a coordinator and organizing secretary. In 2011, I was the event coordinator in National Conference 2. Additionally, I have organized 15 short-term training programs and faculty development programs along with 66 seminar, workshop and expert talk. I have involved in number of research and academic proposals. I have been involved as a co-coordinator for AICT grant of 12 lakh 60,000 for signal processing and image processing laboratory. I received NVIDIA grant of rupees 1 lakh 25,000 and 40,000 respectively. I got 3 grants from the Gujkost, each of rupees 50,000 for organizing the Women Conference. I have submitted 2 proposals in a TRS scale. I was involved in proposal for BVM SSIP Center and GTU PhD Center at BVM. I am involved in Smart Manufacturing Center of Excellence at BVM in collaboration with IIT Delhi. In 2022, I mentored the RoboFest 2.0 team organized by Kuchkos and won the competition at Microbot and won the title and prize money of 6.5 lakh in ideation, POC and grand finale stage. In 2023, I mentored the home clinic robot team at RoboFest 3.0 and won the total prize money of 4 lakh rupees. Also won the Chandrayaan competition held by ISRO and Gujkos. I have attended total 186 short-term training programs, seminar, webinar, workshops. I am having a total 89 publication in different journal, IEEE, Springer, Explorer, Web of Science, different conferences, and also won the Best Paper Award. I have also published 3 books and book chapter. My 2 Indian patents on virtual switch and micro robots are granted and awarded in January 2024. 2 patents are in public stage and recently 6 patents are filed by Gujkos for RoboFest teams. I have delivered 15 expert talks at different level at different institute. Till now, I have received the 10 awards, which includes Academic Excellent Award for recognition of overall development, which include scholastic, research, cultural, student activity, and laboratory development for 2017-18. I received NPTEL Silver Medal for acquiring top 2% position for the subject Digital Circuit offered by IIT Kharagpur in July to October 2019. In 2020, for the duration of January to April, I received NPTEL Gold Medal for securing top 1% position for microprocessor and microcontroller subject offered by IIT Kharagpur. In 2020-21, I received Excellence Award for IP Innovation and Recognition with Outstanding Contribution, Excellence Performance, Consistency and Accomplishment to Birla Vishwakarma Mahavidyalaya. Again in 2019-20, I also received Academic Excellent Award in recognition of Best Scholastic Development. I also received BOG Alumni Appreciation Done for winning position in RoboFest Gujarat 2.0 and securing first position in the category of micro robot were for level 1 50,000, for level 2 1 lakh, and for level 3 5,000 prize money is given. On 3rd March 2023, I received Gaurav Puraskar on occasion of the Vallabh Vidyanagar Day. I also on 13th April 2023 I received appreciation award for SSIP coordinator for the tenure of the year 2017 to 22. In 2022-23, I again received Academic Excellence Award in recognition of Best Overall Development. I also received the Excellence Award for granted my patents on smart device operated and controlled electronic virtual switch and on the BVM Annual Day 2024. Till date, I have guided students for PhD MTech dissertation. 3 students have completed PhD under my guidance. I have been reviewer of international, national journals, conferences, PhD and MTech research work and DPC. I have worked for BOS Secretary Electronics, the Departmental Academic Committee Secretary, ICC, Central Package Officer for TechTube 2, Member of Committee of R&D Cell, Women Development Cell, Anti-Ragging and Harassment Cell, SSIP Coordinator, Examination Coordinator Committee Member for BVM Annual Report Committee and Publication. I have been involved in preparing the policy documents for slow learner and the fast learner student. I have been involved in new laboratory development of digital signal processing, image processing, embedded system, microcontroller from the AIC grant. I am the secretary of BVM TRS chapter. I took the training from IIT Delhi for smart manufacturing technologies and part of Center of Excellence at BVM from SM. I am ex officio member of BVM Central Committee and involved in sports cultural publication. I have been involved in curriculum development for Sardar Patel University, Gujarat Technological University and BVM Autonomy. I am a member of a board of studies Electronics and Communication SPU, Electronics at BOSCL and Master of Technology in Automation and Robotics at BVM. I am also involved in yoga and other co-curricular activities. I am team member of BVM Women Cricket Team. I guided students for number of competition as a mentor like RoboFest, RoboCon, IIT Bombay Tech Fest, GTU Technical Festival, Chandrayaan competition, SSIP Hackathon and ideation competition and many more. Lastly, I am passionate about engineering education and dedicated to nurturing future innovators. Thank you for considering my contribution to the field and for this incredible opportunity.